Hello everyone, magandang oras sa atin lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, shares, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 cents ng Australia. Mayroong tao na 1981 10 cent coins ng Australia. So share ko lang sa inyo guys ang tungkol dito sa coins na ito guys ng Australia, dahil napakaganda rin itong koleksyon para sa mahilig sa mga coins. The Australian 10 cent coins is a coin of the decimal Australian dollar when the dollar was introduced as a half of an Australian pound on February 14, 1966. The coin inherited the specification of the pre-decimal shilling. Both coins were worth 1/20th and a pound and were called bob. On introduction, it was the fourth lowest denomination coins since the withdrawal from circulation of the 2 cent coins in 1992. It has been the second lowest denomination coin in circulation. For the first year of minting, 1966, 30 million coins were produced at the British Royal Mint, then in London, and 11 million at the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra. Since then, all coins have been produced in Canberra with exception of 1981, when 40 million coins from the Royal Mint's new headquarters in Lantrisan, Wallis, supplemented in the 76.1 million produced in Canberra. So ito yun guys, ang 76.1 million produced in Canberra. Years without issue for the 10 cent were 1986, 1987, 1995 and 1996. Those years were only for mint and profits. The lowest mintage was in 2011 when 1.7 million coins were issued. There has been one commemorative issue for this denomination, the 50th anniversary of decimal currency in 2016. The image of male superbird, lyrebird, or Menora novaholandi is displayed on the reverse of all 10 cents coin. It was designed by Stuart Devlin, who designed the reverse of all of the coins of the Australian dollar introduced in 1966. The obverse has displayed different design featuring the head of Elizabeth II, Queen of Australia from 1966 to 1984. The head by the Arnold machine from 1985 to 1998. The head by Raphael Macluf from 1999 to 2015 and 2017. The head by Ian Rank Bradley, and since 2019, the head by Jody Clark. The obverse of these coins has the inscription Australia and the year of issue on the right hand side and Elizabeth II on the left hand side. In 2016, the 50th anniversary of decimal currency. The obverse was designed by G.K. Gray. The obverse designed to celebrate the 50th anniversary of decimal currency with 7 million mintage commemorative coins. The value of these coins guys of 0.10 Australian dollars. Sa Pilipinas guys ay nagkakahalaga ito ng 3 pesos and 96 centavos. At mayroon timbang na 5.65 grams. Diameter naman ay 23.60 mm. At ang kanyang thickness 2.00 mm. At ang edge naman ay mild with the composition of 75% copper and 25% nickel. Minting from 1966 at present with the obverse design Queen Elizabeth II from 1966 hanggang 2023 and King Charles III 2024 at the present, and the reverse design with male superb. Reverse guys na mayroong male superb lyrebird Menora Nova Hollandi by Stuart Devlin in 1966. And it was also displayed at the AB Selling Online with the grade from PCGS with VR69 decam with 33.92 US dollar. So sa Pilipinas guys nagkakalaga ng 2,000 pesos. At mayroong grado na VR69 galing sa PCGS. So yun guys ang ating napakagandang history or kwento dito tungkol dito sa 10 cents ng Australia guys. So maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless ating lahat.